I'm going to show you how to make a buyer's list using Chat GPT in 90 seconds. That's right, it's that easy. So in Chat GPT, I'm going to be typing in the following on the bottom, basically asking it to pull the emails out of this large list. Next, what I'm going to do is go into Facebook. I made this post introducing myself and my wife into a Facebook group saying that we are looking for buyers. Everybody drops their comments below. I copy and paste that entire list, all of the wording, names, everything. And then what I'm going to do is go back into Chat GPT and I'm going to drop that entire list in there. It's going to take a few seconds. GPT is going to sort out all of the wording, and what it's going to do, it's going to extract all of those email addresses and put them into an easy list for me, as you can see what's going on right now. So in under 90 seconds, I can create a buyer's list using technology.